Hey guys, I'm Namonita. Welcome to my channel Foodies Pad. Let the grand prep for Sharodiya celebration begin. Bhuri Bhoj, as we beloved Bengalis like to refer to our ginormous love for food when we are full to the brim and our hearts sing a happy song. Let's start with a spicy, delectable side dish with a hint of sweetness. Presenting to you Bengali style chicken roast. Let's get started. For more fun pujo recipes, keep on watching.
Succulent, aromatic and spicy when the whole chicken legs are braised languorously over low heat in a melange of roasted spices, creating a stunner of a dish to brighten your festive days. For the list of ingredients, check the description box. Slashing the chicken to the bone increases its surface area so that the marinade can penetrate the meat. Adjust the level of spiciness as per your taste. Marinate briefly as we will braise the chicken during the cooking. Use a combination of spices and aromatics that you like to pair your chicken with. Searing adds deep flavor and crunchy texture to the meat surface without drying it out. Temper the oil with spices for color and aroma. Reduce to low flame and gently pour the yogurt paste while stirring continuously as you don't want the curd to split. The ginger garlic birista yogurt paste will form the base of the gravy. Saute on medium-high heat for 5 to 6 minutes till the oil separates from the spices. You can use any liquid of your choice, be it water, chicken stock or heavy cream instead of milk. Regulate the level of heat throughout the cooking. Stir in between to avoid the spices sticking to the bottom of the pan. Add any liquid of your choice if the pan dries out. Please guys, subscribe to my channel and help me to grow. Thank you. Please press the bell icon to get a notification every time I upload a video. Bye guys, take care.